Hi, I'm Dan Minahan, Trailer Service Specialist with Landoll Trailers. And today we're going to discuss how to pair your remote with your Landoll trailer.
We will be focusing on our current series of remotes made by Brand Hydraulics in this video. If you have a different style of remote, please contact the service department for assistance with how to pair it. To start, make sure the power is off to your trailer and truck. Check your remote to see that it has power. Make sure the transmit indicator light flashes when the button is pressed, and that the battery light does not flash when a function is pressed. Next, apply power to the trailer. It is not necessary to start the truck as long as there is power to the center pin of your 7-pin power cord. Then, check the receiver on your trailer to confirm that the power indicator LED is illuminated. Unplug the 7-pin power cord from the trailer. Let it sit for just a second, then plug the power cord back in. Immediately upon plugging the power cord in, press and hold the power button on the remote. Since you will not be able to see the receiver light flash to confirm a pair, we recommend holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Looking at your receiver, confirm that the receive light is dimly pulsing and then flashes green when a function button is pressed. Also, note that a corresponding red output light near the plugs illuminates, indicating that the receiver is outputting the signal. You can now start your truck and engage the PTO. Test all the functions on the remote to confirm proper operation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or issues getting your remote to pair, please contact the Landoll Service Department at 800-446-5175 or 888-522-3634.